How great would it be not to have to rush out the door to a 9 to 5 job when you wake up in the morning? All day long, your boss tells you what to do, which is one of the main reasons I wanted to learn how to make money online in the first place. And it wasn't just about the money, it was more about the freedom it gave us once we took back control of our lives. In today's video, I'll show you a great website, and you know what this website is. And you can do everything for free and everywhere in the world, even if you don't have any skills or experience. So make sure you watch this whole video to the end, because I'll give you a lot of free tools and extra resources to help you get started. Keep watching and listening. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to our channels and turn on the bell so you know when I post new videos about making money every day. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Before I tell you today's strategy secret, first, I want you to check out this website, which is called Amazon.com. This is on the Kindle books section. Now, if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of people. They are selling ebooks on this website at $4.99. When I scroll down below, I can see that people post even more Kindle ebooks on this website. They even sell some of them for $14.99. Right now, a lot of people are making a lot of money with this method. Now, I want you to take a look at this. This one right here, over 1,800 people leaving a review after buying these Kindle ebooks. So let's go to the online calculator right away. Okay, the price of one Kindle book is $14.99, and over 1,800 people have already bought this one. As you can see here, you can make almost $27,000 by just posting one Kindle book like this, and you don't need any experience. You don't need any investment. It is free. In today's video, I'll show you how to use it as a template. All you have to do is copy and paste. So make sure you keep watching this video, and we'll all make a lot of money online together. So the next website I want you to check out is visme.co. Basically, this website makes a Kindle book like this one, which is very professional and looks great. We can sell a lot of money even though we have no experience. So basically, this is the 3-step process. Okay, the first step is to pick a done-for-you template. There are a lot of templates to choose from, so make sure you keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to do that in real life. Step 2. Once you choose a done-free template, you can choose and change anything you want. For instance, you can change the text, the size and color of the font, and anything else you want. The third step is that you can download this ebook for 100% free. Now you can start publishing on Amazon and start making a lot of money online right away. So don't stop watching this video. I'm really excited to tell you about this new chance. So when you get to the homepage of this website, click on the Create button and then scroll down and click on Documents. Click on the document icon right here and you'll come to this page where you can start making beautiful documents. That means you can make an ebook, and as you can see, it's free to do so. To do this, you don't need any money at all. Now, I want you to go in and click on this blue button right here. That will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account and start making your ebook from anywhere in the world. So right here, it's pretty easy. You just need to put in your name, email address, and password, and then you can go in and click this blue register button right here. So as you can see, when you click register, you'll be brought to this page. What do you want to use Visme for? So I want you to choose personal in this case. Okay, here, choose personal. So you can log into your dashboard right now and see that you can start making documents. So right now you can see that there are different documents if you scroll down below this. For example, reports, proposal resumes, cover letters, and so on. I want you to drag this bar right here, and we're going to look for this one, which is ebooks. As soon as you click this button right here, you can see your ebooks. So when you click on the ebooks button and scroll down, you can see the different templates you can choose from. As you can see here, they are all very professional and beautiful. So as you can see when I scroll down below, there are literally hundreds of different done-for-you templates that you can just click on, and everything will be done for you 100% automatically, and you don't need any money to do this. So I'm going to give you the first bonus tip right now. You can sell different categories of ebooks on this website, as you can see by looking at the Kindle ebooks. For example, the arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and so on. So I want you to pay attention to your health, your fitness, and your diet. As you can see, this is the most profitable category, which means you can make a lot of money online with little competition. So now that we have chosen the category you want to focus on, which is health and fitness, so we're going to look for a template that fits this kind of category right now. So right now, I want to choose from this template right here. As you can see, should I eat that? This is very professional and fits the health and fitness category very well. So if you click on this button right here that says preview, you can see what's inside this template. Say, for example, that this is the table of contents and that this is the cover photo. So if you scroll down, you can see that these are all of the pages in this template. All of them are made to help people learn how to lose weight and what kinds of fruits they can eat. So what is fitness, right? This template has a lot of information, and it's pretty much a done-for-you ebook that you can just copy and paste. So right now, once you decide that this is the template that you want, you can just go and click on this blue button to use this template. So as you can see here, you'll come to this new page where you can add it and change whatever you want. So one of the reasons I love this so much because they give you a cover book picture. This is the beautiful and very professional cover of the ebook. So if you scroll down below here, you can see that they even give you a table of contents. If you really scroll down below here, there are pages and pages of information. We should talk about calories and healthy eating plans, for example. There is so much valuable information that you can just copy and paste it and start selling it on Amazon as a Kindle ebook in the health and fitness section. So right now, what you can do on this page is that if you don't like something, for example, you can just double click on this one and change, say, the text of this one. You can change the size of the font, make it bold, make it stand out, or change the color of the text. On each of these pages, we can do anything we want. But the good thing is that pretty much everything is taken care of for you, so you don't have to change anything if you don't want. But again, what will change that when I go to the home page of this ebook? As you can see here, this is written by Susan Smith. So you can put your name here or a nickname. For example, in this case, I put Sophia. You're going to change the title of this ebook. You can say that this is Health Secret. With this template, you can make any changes you want. So once you're happy with that, you can just click on this download button on top. So when you click on the download button, you'll come to this new page as you can see here. So all you have to do is click on this blue download button, as simple as that. You can do this on either your phone or your computer. So if you're still watching this video right now, leave a comment below to let me know. Please like this video because as usual, I'm going to give you some extra tips to help you make even more money online. So this is the freeplrdownloads.com. On this site, you can basically find a lot of free ebooks that you can just copy and paste to download for absolutely free. It's all done for you, and as you can see here, there are a lot of different categories. So again, we're going to talk about health right now. So if you click on this health link right here, you'll be brought to this health category as you can see here. And if you scroll down, you'll see hundreds of different ebooks. You can download these Kindle ebook for absolutely free. Say for example, this ebook right here, The Stress Busters Victory. So all you have to do is click on one of these ebooks right here. Now when you scroll down below, you're gonna find there's a blue download button. You don't even have to sign up for an account, and you can download this for free on a computer or phone. As you can see, this website has a total of 8 pages where you can find a lot of different ebooks in the health category. Now that you've downloaded all the ebooks in the health category, you can turn your attention to a different category, like internet marketing. For example, relationships or self-help. There are so many categories of ebooks that you can focus on, and you can start selling them on Amazon to make a lot of money online without any investment using the free PLR website. So once you get your ebooks from visme.co, where you get them from the freeplrdownloads.com, the next step is that you gotta upload on Amazon. So let's go to Kindle Direct Publishing kdp.amazon.com right now. Now, when you go to this website, you can start publishing your own ebooks, just like this one, and start making money. As you can see here, get to market fast. Publishing only takes less than 5 minutes to do it. As you can see, your Kindle store can be accessed all over the world in as little as 24 hours. All you have to do is click on this button. If you don't already have an Amazon account, click this button to sign up. After that, you'll be brought to this page where you can log into your account. But if you have never used Amazon before, you can scroll down below here. Here you can see New at KDP. That is where you can make a KDP account. And I want you to click on this button right now. After that, you can go to this page and make an account for free from anywhere in the world. Just type in your name, email, password, and a second time to confirm your password. Then click on this to create your KDP account, and you can start selling your ebooks from anywhere in the world by uploading them to Amazon. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in the following video. Goodbye.